Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat, and today we are going to discuss 20 top most important MCQs of trigonometry for class 10. So here, this is first MCQs, that is 1 over sine square theta plus cos square theta. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta, it is equals to 1, because we have the formula sine square theta plus cos square theta, it is equals to 1. So we have to put its value here. So this is 1 upon 1 means 1, and the correct option is D. Now come to the second point here, second MCQs here, that is radical 1 minus sine square theta. So we know that 1 minus sine square theta, it is equals to cos square theta. This is its formula. So this will be cancelled out to this one, and the value of cos theta, the radical cos square theta is cos theta, and the correct option is B. Now come to the third MCQs here. This is cos 30 degree. In metric class level, dear students, remember this point: scientific calculators are not allowed. So the value of all trigonometric values, trigonometric ratios 30 degree, 45 degrees and 60 degrees, you must memorize that. If you have any difficulty, I have also upload a lecture how to memorize the trigonometric functions, trigonometric ratios. You must see that one. I hope you will automatically memorize the values of all trigonometric ratios there. Now come to the third point here, third MCQs here, the value of cos 30. The value of cos 30, that is that is equals to the value of cos 30, it is equals to radical 3 upon 2, radical 3 upon 2. You must memorize this one, the value of cos 30, it is equals to radical 3 upon 2. Now this is 1 upon 1 plus sine theta, this is 1 upon 1 minus sine theta. So just we have to take out the LCM here of this one. So this is here, take out the LCM here. So this is 1 plus sine theta 1 minus sine theta, just take out the ordinary LCM here. So this function will cancel out to this one, and this is 2, a plus b, a minus b, it is equals to a square minus b square. And we know that 1 minus sine square theta, it is equals to cos square theta, and we can write down 2 multiplied by 1 upon cos square theta, and 1 upon cos means the sec theta, and 1 upon cos square means sec square theta. So its value is 2 sec square theta. Just we have to take out the ordinary LCM here. So our result is 2 sec square theta. Its correct option is A. Now this is 1 upon 2 cosec 45 degree. 1 upon 2 cosec 45 degree. So here we know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine theta. So here first we have to find out the value of sine 45, and then we have to reciprocal its value. So this is sine 45 degree. So sine 45, it is equals to 1 upon 2. So what will be the cosec? Dear students, focus this one. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So just we have to reciprocal this, radical 2 upon 1, and there is no need to write down in 1. Denominator is 1. So this is radical 2. So this is 1 upon 2 multiplied by cosec 45. This is the MCQs here. So the value of 1 upon 2 and cosec 45 degree, it is radical 2. So this is radical 2 over 2 that is equals to 1 upon radical 2. Radical 2 upon 2 means 1 upon radical 2, and the B option is correct. Now come to the next question, next MCQs, students. Remember that we are going to discuss the most important MCQs of trigonometry for class 10. Now come to the sixth MCQs here. Sec theta, tangent theta. This is sec theta into tangent theta. So sec theta means we have the formula 1 over cos theta, and the tangent theta is sin theta over cos theta. So this is sin theta into cos square theta. So we can write down here sin theta into 1 upon cos square theta. So this is sin theta 1 upon cos square theta means sec square theta. So this is the correct option, and the correct option is, write down here, it is sin theta into sec square theta. This is the correct option. So this is the sec theta, tangent theta. Sec theta, it is equals to 1 upon cos. Tangent theta is sin upon cos. So sin multiplied by this and cos multiplied by cos square theta. So this is the D is the correct option, that is sin theta into sec square theta. Okay students, now come to the seventh MCQs. This is cosec square theta minus cot square theta, it is equals to, so we have the formula, one basic formula here, 1 plus cot square theta, it is equals to cosec square theta. This is the basic formula. So if we have to shift this one on the right hand side, so this is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So that means cosec square theta minus cot square theta, it is equals to 1, and the correct option is B. Now question says if tangent 30 is equal to 60, so what will be the value of theta here? So here the theta is 60 degree because tangent 60 is radical 3. Tangent 60 is radical 3. Tangent, so the value of theta will be 60. So here this is sin 30. Sin 30, it is equals to the which function here, that is sin 60, cos 30, cos 60 and cosec 30. So here cos 60, the value of cos 60, it is equals to 1 upon 2. The value of sin 30, it is equals to 1 upon 2. That means sin 30 will be equals to cos, sin 30 will be equals to cos 60. The value of sin 30 is half and the value of cos 60 is half. That means the option C is correct. Now come to the 10th MCQs here, that is radical 2 cos 45 degree. We know that the cos 45 degree, it is 1 over radical 2. The cos 45 degree is 1 upon radical 2, so this will be cancelled out to this one, and the result is 1, and the correct option is C of the 10th MCQs, cos 45 degree. Dear students, I told you in the same lecture, if you have to memorize all trigonometric ratios there, must see that lecture which I have already uploaded, how to memorize the trigonometric ratios there. Now come to the 11th point here, that is cot 60 degree. That is cot 60 degree. Cot, it is the reciprocal of tangent. So tangent 60 degree, its value is radical 3. The value of tangent 60 is radical 3. So the value of cot 60 degree, so just we have to reciprocal this one, it will be 1 upon radical 3. So that is the C option is correct. So here, now come to the 12th MCQs here, that is sec theta over tangent theta. So just we have to put their values here, dear students. Sec theta, it is 1 over cos theta. Tangent theta, it is sin theta over cos theta. Again listen, dear students. Sec theta, it is 1 upon cos theta, it is the reciprocal of cos. Tangent theta, it is the formula sin theta over cos theta. So this cos will cancel out to this one, and this is 1 upon sin theta, and 1 upon sin theta, it is equals to cosec theta. That means the correct option is B. The correct option is B. Now come to the 13th MCQs, that is tangent theta over sec theta. Again we have the similar question with the 12th part with the different situation here. Tangent theta, it is sin theta over cos theta, and sec theta, it is 1 over cos theta. Just we have to put their formula. This cos theta will cancel out to this one, and this is sin theta over 1 means the sin theta, and the correct option is C. Now here, dear students, this is sin 30, it is equals to the value of cos of which angle, having the same values here. Here sin 30, it is equals to 1 upon 2. So what should be the angle here? That is 60, because cos 60 degree, it is equals to 1 upon 2. So that means here the correct option is A, and we have to put the value of 60 here. The value of sin 30 is half, and the value of cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So the correct option of the 14th part is 60. Now come to the next part here, that is the 15th part. This is cosec theta into tangent theta. Cosec theta means it is equals to 1 upon sin theta, and tangent theta means sin theta over cos theta. So just sin theta will cancel out to the sin theta, and the remaining result is 1 upon cos theta, and the 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. So the correct option is B. Now come to the 16th part here, that is sec theta cot theta. Sec theta means 1 upon cos theta. Cot theta means cos theta upon sin theta. Remember that. Tangent sin upon cos, cot is cos upon sin. So this cos will cancel out to this one, and this is 1 upon sin theta, and 1 upon sin theta, it is equals to cosec theta, and the correct option of 16th MCQs is cosec theta. Now come to the 17th part. 17th part is cot theta into tangent theta. Cot means 1 upon tangent into tangent theta. So this will cancel out to this one. The result is 1 up 1. So the correct option is A. Now here this is sec square theta minus tangent square theta equals to, so here we have a fundamental formula, basic formula, 1 plus tangent square theta, it is equals to sec square theta. So we have to shift this tangent square to the right hand side. So this is minus tangent square theta. So that means sec square theta minus tangent square theta, it is equals to 1, and the correct option is A. Now come to the 19th MCQs here. So this is sine square theta. This is sine square theta over 1 minus cos square theta. So this is sine square theta, and we have a basic formula 1 minus cos square theta, it is equals to sine square theta. So this will be cancel out to this one, and the result is 1. So the correct option is A, that is equals to 1. Now come to the last MCQs, that is the 20th MCQs here. Cos square theta over 1 minus cos square theta. So this is cos square theta, and we know that 1 minus cos square theta, it is equals to sine square theta, and cos upon sine, that is tangent theta, then cos square theta upon sine square theta will be equals to cot square theta, and this is the correct option A. Dear students, we have discussed 20 most important MCQs of trigonometry for class 10. Please practice these all MCQs, and if you like this video, please share with your friends, colleagues, and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Allah Hafiz.